Hello, welcome to class 9th math. Today we will discuss 10 exam level questions which are important for your every exam for class 9th. Question number 1 here, identify the quadrant. Question number 1, in which quadrant does the point P minus 5, 7 lie? Here you see the figure of quadrants. In quadrant 1, both the coordinates are positive, x positive, y positive. In quadrant 2, x negative, y positive. In quadrant 3, x negative, y negative. In quadrant 4, x positive and y negative. So on this basis, we will solve the problem 1. In which quadrant does the point P minus 5, 7 lie? For P minus 5, 7, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So a point with negative x coordinate and positive y coordinate lies in quadrant 2. Okay. So the answer is quadrant 2. Second question is points on the axes. Which of the following points lie on x-axis or y-axis? Points are given. For point A 5, 0, y is equal to 0. So it lies on x-axis. For point B 0 minus 7, x is equal to 0. So it lies on the y-axis. For C x 3, 4, another coordinate is 0. So it lies in quadrant 1. Okay. Here quadrant 1. So the answer is A. For A, x-axis. For point B, it will lie on y-axis. And for C, quadrant 1. Okay. Question number 3 here. Find the values of x and y. The point P, x, y lies on the x-axis and is 7 units to the left of the origin. Find x and y. Since P lies on the x-axis, y is equal to 0. Here, y is equal to 0. 7 units to the left of the origin means x is equal to minus 7. So therefore, P is equal to minus 7, 0. Okay. Question number 4. Identify the quadrant without plotting. If x less than 0, y less than 0, then in which quadrant does the point lie? Here, the solution is negative x left of x-axis, negative y below x-axis. Therefore, the point lies in quadrant 3. Okay. Both the coordinates are minus, minus. Find the possible coordinates. From here, question 5 is find the possible coordinate. A point is at a distance of 4 units from the x-axis and 6 units from y-axis. Find all possible coordinates. The solution is here. Distance from x-axis y modulus y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to plus minus 4. Distance from y-axis x modulus x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus 6. Hence, the 4 possible points are 6, 4, 6 minus 4, minus 6, 4, minus 6 minus 4. Question number 6. Find the quadrant of an algebraic point. For what values of A does the point A minus 3 lie in the quadrant 4? For quadrant 4, x greater than 0 and y less than 0. X is equal to A, y is equal to minus 3. Since minus 3 less than 0, we only need A greater than 0. Therefore, P A minus 3 lies in quadrant 4 for any positive value of A. Question number 7 is tricky quadrant question. A point P 2a plus 1, 3a minus 6 lies on the x-axis. Find A and the coordinate of P. Since P lies on x-axis, y is equal to 0. Therefore, 3a minus 6 is equal to 0. So, we will find out the value of A is equal to 2. Now, x is given 2a plus 1. Here, x coordinate is 2a plus 1. Y coordinate is 3a minus 6. So, x is equal to 2a plus 1. We will put the value of A in x is equal to 2a plus 1. We will get x is equal to 5. Therefore, P is equal to 5, 0. Question number 8. Find the coordinate from a description. A point is 4 units to the left of the y-axis and 6 units above the x-axis. Find its coordinate. 4 units left means x is equal to minus 4. 6 units above, y is equal to 6. Therefore, 4 minus 4, 6. It lies in quadrant 2. Okay. Here, x coordinate is minus, y coordinate is plus. Question number 9 is Hertz question. If point P xy is 5 units from the x-axis and 3 units from y-axis, write all possible coordinates of P. Distance from x-axis, y is equal to 5. Modulus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to plus minus 5. Distance from y-axis, modulus x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus 3. Hence, the 4 possible points are 3, 5, minus 3, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 3, minus 5. Question number 10, challenge question. The point A 3, 4, B minus 3, 4, C minus 3, minus 4 and D 3, minus 4 are given. The part 1 is identify the coordinates in which ABCD lie. Part B is what type of quadrilateral is ABCD. So we will see here for point A 3, 4 it will lie in quadrant 1. For point B minus 3, 4 it will lie in quadrant 2. For C minus 3, minus 4 it will lie in quadrant 3. And for D 3, minus 4 it will lie in quadrant 4. The horizontal sides have length 3 minus minus 3, 3 minus minus 3, that will be 6. The vertical sides have length 4 minus minus 4, so it will be 8. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, so and all angles are right angles, therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, thank you. All these questions are important and hope it will be helpful for you.